The High Court Judge, Justice Gibson Mandasa, is granted Alpha Media Holdings journalist Blessed Mhlanga $500 bail. Samina mashoko atukanta aiwa yaka breaking news and people they are happy. Vachiona kuti aiwa panguva ino justice aiwa yakupiwa to everyone. Tiona Alpha Media Holdings journalist Blessed Mhlanga aiwa achipiwa bail chunitiko aiwa chasunungura mwoyo vanhu. Samina mashoko ataona kuti aiwa they have forced the regime kuti aiwa izive chokwadi kuti mukomana akasina mhosva anobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mubuda kunyogwa muchinzi. This followed a successful appeal through his lawyers, Advocate Avanu Mpofu and Chris Mike. The accused B and is hereby granted bail. He is to deposit $500 bail with the clerk of court, said the judge. Mandasa said, "There are indeed changed circumstances. I am of the view that the court misdirected itself. The appellant is a permanent resident of this country. To allay the fears, the state can conditions to ensure that he does not interfere and abscond." The judge said the fear of interference does not stand because the docket is now complete. The appeal was his second before the High Court. Mhlanga has been denied bail on 3 occasions already. His lawyer, Tavan Mpofu, who is taking instructions from Chris Mike, urged the judge to grant the journalists freedom, submitting that they have been changed circumstances. Mpofu said Mpofu was locked up following calls of protests by Geza, but the people did not flood the streets as called for. Arikubuda panguva ine tiona aiwa Blessed Mhlanga achipiwa bail chikwati chibudiswa pachena kuti mukomana anga asina mhaka zvake. Mbori dzemafungiro emoti kuti pamusoro pemadevelopments aya not everyone is happy nechiitiko ichi. Pana comment section yedu dzemafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.